Hello there, my name is Davide Franceschini. I'm the founder and chief trader here at surfingthepeeps.com. Um, this is the time to speak about how much money we make. Everybody knows that we are the ones of happiness makes money. Yeah, but the second question can be how much money? Okay, does this receipt it works actually? Are you really making money in a steady way by using your forex trading method? Well, this is the video that will answer this question. First of all, I want to share the fact that on this video we will talk about performances in 2014, but not only that, sorry, also we speak about performances since 2010. So for the first time, we will talk about how much money you can make by trading the Surfing the Peeps trading system if you match our result with your result, okay? So let's go on with this kind of analysis. First of all, I want to just explain briefly the fact that all the numbers that I'm going to tell you and that we ever told you are 100% certified. What does it mean certified? It means that they are true by definition. Why? Well, for four clear reasons. The first reason is that we are actually online since 2010. So it's a lot of years in the internet era. It means that you cannot survive on the web. You probably know that. If you are claiming something on the web by using always the same logo, by using always the same URL, so the same name, you can't fake people for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. It is obvious that the day that you will say something that is untrue, internet is very fast to spread the word, okay? So it will be, instant, just like that. And everybody knows that we are faking the numbers. So the fact that we are established since 2010 is a warranty that we are a serious project, okay? Try to ask yourself every time that you see a new trading education site, try to ask yourself, when does this guys started, okay? When exactly this project has been established? Is it something new? Can I see some historical data about this project? Well, we are online since 2010. We have big partnership with the best trading magazine in the world, and we are also now the academy, Forex Trading Academy partner, and also the owner of the first Forex trading ethical broker. So this is something true, something real, okay? Why it is so true and so real? Well, the second step is telling you that we are one of the few, I personally think that we're almost the only project, Forex trading project in the world sharing courses, so doing courses and signals, trading signals. What does it mean this? Well, it means that, we really don't have fear to say that Surfing the Peeps method, it is working. Why? Because we give signals and we teach the Forex trading method that we use to produce the signals. So it is not difficult to understand that if the trading course, if the Forex system doesn't work, it produces bad signals. And if we give away bad signals, in 1 day, 2 days, we will have our, how can I say, our, image, our brand destroyed immediately. It's just so easy. The fact that we are making money since 2010 by sharing, not only by speaking, by sharing Forex trading signals via email, via SMS, at the beginning also via Twitter, it is warranty that we trust our system and we can give away courses that are, in some way certified by our signals, okay? The third point is the fact that we are the only trading education project that it is sharing daily on the blog the results of our signals. So not only we are almost the only project giving away signals and courses together. That is really dangerous, trust me. If you start to lose money with signals, nobody will ever do courses. So the fact that we are sharing both, as I said before, is a warranty, but it is not enough. We also share our performance every day on our blog. So if we say a lie on the blog, immediately on the internet, you will find a lot of, discussion board or forum posts telling, guys, these guys are at surfingthepips.com are claiming profits, but I'm subscribed to their signals, and yesterday I made a loss, but they are saying I made a gain. So, I totally understand that you can understand this triple warranty. And of course, since 2010, we never had a single complaint. Trust me, guys, when I say this, I'm not only saying that we never had a cashback on our signals services. Sorry, we never had one single cashback on our course product. Okay, so the education product, but we never had a single post on a forum, a single review saying that we are not claiming the right results, the true results, okay? So this is an incredible warranty that can absolutely, testify the fact that all the results that I'm telling you today are 100% certified because we are surfing the pips. Let's go on. Let's speak at the beginning about the 2014. Well, it was an historical year. What does it mean this? It means that in terms of volatility, what is volatility? If I have to explain this concept for somebody who is not into trading too much, well, volatility is pretty easy to explain. It's just how much how much a financial product has moved during that year. So how much is the range, okay, of the movements of a specific financial product, of a specific cross on the forex, okay? So we are talking here about euro dollar. Okay, sorry, let's get back to this. About euro dollar, okay? Well, as you can see, in 2014 here, we have the historical minimum of volatility. What is this concept? Let's make the translation. Well, it's pretty easy. Well, euro dollar barely didn't move, okay? Didn't move a lot during this year. And you know already that probably if you did the free course of Surfing the Pips, you know that we are not scalpers. So we like to have trends. We like market to move. Why I say this? Because only scalpers makes money when the market is not moving. Because if you want to become a scalper, you want the market do not trend, because you gain when the market is not moving. If the market start to move a lot, you start to lose. Okay, this is what happens if you are a scalper. You want the market do 10 pips and then go back, 10 pips down and then goes up. Okay, stuff like that. Because we don't like scalping, because we don't like to stay in front of the PC. We want to be free from the PC. It's outside our philosophy. We want money to make money, and not my job, my hands, my eyes make money, okay? I want the money make money. This is the reason why you started trading. But sooner or later, you forget this. because we're not scalpers, we want the market to trend. And that's why we trade Forex, because in Forex market, trends are sustainable, trends are steady, trends are really genuine, okay? In 2014, for the vast majority of the time, we didn't have a trend. So market was barely, dead. And this is certified by the fact that volatility was at his historical low. So as you can see, 2014 for traders like us, healthy traders, was an horrible year because market was not trending. Okay, so except for the end of the year, as you can see, volatility came back to an average level. Okay, so what happens is that the market did not move, so it was a bad year, but we made money at the same time. Okay, let's go on. Let's explain how much money, sorry for my English, we made during 2014. Well, first of all, we had an expectancy. I'm going to tell you what is expectancy of $2002. Expectancy is pretty easy. It's just like when you withdraw money to the ATM. Okay, expectancy is, in this particular example, if you, for example, would have started with $10,000 capital in your Forex trading account by risking 5%, which is a lot for us, but is a maximum that you can risk when you are experienced with the Surfing the Pips trading system, etc. Well, by adopting this kind of data, you will have made $202 for every trade that you made during 2014. So it was, this is a complicated calculation, this expectancy. I can't now explain it, not because I don't want to, because this video is about performances. This kind of formula is something that we explain on the course, of course, but you can easily find it on the web as well. So expectancy was super positive. Okay, it was, more than $200 for every trade. But let's go on with the big numbers. So the profit rate with withdrawal in 2014 was around 130%. Yeah, we made an astonishing number, which is normally 2 times, 3 times the best hedge fund that you can find all over the world, by withdrawing monthly. As you can see here, we have we have this note here telling you that with withdrawal, so by withdrawing 50% of all the gains every month and resizing the risk per trade every month, we made this astonishing 129.4%. So it was a super positive year for us. Without withdrawal, we made more, of course, because without withdrawing, you can increase the risk per trade because your capital is bigger. So once the capital grows, you can start to risk more. This is pretty obvious if you know something about money management. We made 167.6% in 2014, the worst year in history in Forex. Okay, so it was something incredible what happened this year. And I'm really proud, not of myself, because it's, Surfing the Pips now is more than a single person project. Okay, it is something that it is a Forex trading system that has improved thanks to all the community that is sharing new idea and improving the Forex system. We had 8 losses in the entire year. Okay, guys, this is something incredible. You can believe it or not. As I told you before, all our results, all our numbers are certified by these 4 points, and this is true, guys. By using Surfing the Pips method in 2014, you will have lose only 8 times, okay? So less than 1 loss per month. This is absolutely unbelievable. Well, it is easily believable for me that I trade this system since many years, but it's unbelievable for an average person. I trust this. Drawdown is 10%. It means that we just had a couple of consecutive losses. So as you can see, once again, this system is not only making money, but is making money in a very unrisky way, very reliable and very relaxed way. Let's go on, and now let's speak about the performances of the Surfing the Pips method trading system since 2010, the year where all started. Okay, we never had a single negative year, so we had 5 years in profit, and this is something incredible. It is not written here, but I think we had just a couple of negative months in 5 years, so it's unbelievable. We had since 2010, guys, since 2010, this is very important if you love numbers, a maximal drawdown of 10% by risking 5% of per trade, guys, as I told you before. So open your ears. I'm telling you that we never had more than 2 losses in a row. Okay, this is what happened. Never had more than 2 losses in a row in 5 years. Believe me or not, as it is written here. Let's go on and let's see the big numbers. So the balance since 2010, by starting with $10,000 and withdrawing 50% of your gains on a monthly basis and resizing the risk per trade every month, by starting with 10,000, now the number is around $100,000, so 10 times. By making a living with forex. So this is incredible because it means that you can have a living, so be financially free and see your capital growing. This is an incredible result, guys. I really like this kind of numbers because they are serious. We are not telling you that you are doubling your money every day, okay, guys? This is something true, something serious, something professional. I'm just telling you, okay, let's start with Surfing the Pips. Use your discipline. Do not trade any other strategy. Just be pure, be clean with our 7 steps by using our 5 tools only, and you will be financially free. This is obvious by starting with a small number of dollars, just like 10,000, but you can start with a smaller capital as well and see your capital grow and be financially free. Of course, we can have a more extreme calculation, and this is the more extreme that we have. This is of course something that is really extreme, but it is true. Without withdrawing in 5 years, so let's assume that you don't need the money that you make by trading forex. You just want to do forex as an investment. Okay, I'm speaking about in a utopical situation, but this is interesting. At the same time, you can see that without withdrawing, and here is 1 year, but I'm telling you since 2010, so in 5 years, without withdrawing and resizing. So this is the more extreme, and I repeat, more extreme setup. So by resizing the capital, the risk per trade on every trade, it means that if you risk 5% per trade on a $10,000, if after the first trade you have made $500, so $500, it means that your risk per trade will increase because you will make the calculation on 10,500. Okay, So by using this kind of formula, by resizing your risk per trade, based on every trade, you will have become a millionaire. Okay, almost a millionaire in 5 years. This is interesting, guys, but this is true. This is the truth. As I told you before, this is something certified by the fact. Okay, and if this is not enough for you, we also have some students, as you can see here on my Forex book, and the name of this student is just one of our student is Confutetis. As you can see here, he is a man, one of our student, and is sharing his performances on the web. So as you can see, their money are increasing, of course not at the same strength as our capital, but it's obvious you will not have exactly the same performance that we have, but you will start making money in a steady way. You will start to have the same results that we have if you, of course, give time to yourself, so some week, month, by studying the course, by being true to yourself, using the discipline, do not trade other system, being pure, being clear in your mind, by doing meditation as well, by eating well, by conducting a good life, etc., etc. So this is what happens, guys. With Surfing Pips, in 5 years, you can actually become a millionaire just started with 10,000 bucks. I have no fear to say this because everything is certified by our four, as I told you before, 4 points of certification. That's it, guys. Surfing Pips. Bye for now.